Hey everyone, welcome back to Software Skillful. In today's video, we're diving into something super useful: how to turn your wireless router into a network-attached storage (NAS) system using Windows. With this setup, you'll be able to effortlessly move or copy files between your Samsung device and a shared folder on your Windows PC, all through your Wi-Fi router. It's simple, effective, and saves a ton of time. Excited? Let's jump right in. Step 1. Make sure your Samsung device and your Windows PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is super important because it allows them to communicate seamlessly. Next, we need to set up your network for sharing. On your Windows PC, check your Wi-Fi network profile type, then head over to Advanced Network Settings. From there, go to Advanced Sharing Settings and turn on Network Discovery for your Wi-Fi network. Now, on to Step 3. Open File Explorer and choose a folder or drive that you want to share. For this demo, I'm creating a new folder on my hard drive to use. Once you've got your folder ready, move on to Step 4. Right-click on the folder, go to Properties, and open the Advanced Sharing tab. Here, check the box that says Share this folder. Then click Permissions. This is where we'll add your computer account name. Click the Add button, and type in your username exactly as it appears. If your username has spaces, make sure to include them. Then hit Check Names to verify it. If everything checks out, it'll look something like this. Now, grant full control for the folder, click Apply, and hit OK. Go to the Security tab, click Edit, and add your account name just like we did earlier. Once it's added, give it full control access, hit Apply, and you're done. And that's it. Your Windows PC is now fully set up to share files wirelessly. Let's move on to the Samsung side next. Alright, now let's set things up on your Samsung device. First, open your File Manager app. From there, head over to Network Storage and tap Add Network Storage. Next, select Network Drive. Your device will start scanning for drives on your current network. Once the drives show up, tap on the one linked to your PC. Now, this part is important. You'll need to enter your computer's username exactly as it is, including any spaces. Then, type in your password and tap the Add button. And there you have it, our shared folder is now visible on your Samsung device. Let's test it out by moving a file from the phone to the PC. Look at that, it works like a charm. No more need for USB cables to transfer files to your computer. How cool is that? Let me know if this feels good or if you'd like any adjustments. And that's how you can easily transfer files from your Samsung phone to a Windows shared folder using your Wi-Fi router as a network-attached storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.